Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to today's video, girl. This is the best jeans for curvy girls.
Giddy up, giddy up. That's that ball drop. That's that.
All right, now as I just stated, today's video is a treat for my curvy girls. I feel your pain, I know your pain, and honey, I am here to help you find the best jeans to fit your body. But before we get into that, y'all already know the routine. Y'all know a lot of you girls been watching the videos, but y'all not subscribing, y'all not talking to me, y'all not engaging, and I need that. I need you to help me out. I need my videos to stay in YouTube's algorithm. So I need you to like the video, leave me a comment, but most importantly, girl, I need you to subscribe to the channel. Come on, join the family. Let's continue to grow this community. And don't forget to share the video. Y'all know sharing means caring. So can y'all do that for me? Can you do that for me? All right, let's get into the video. Now, I'm a curvy girl. And I know finding the right jeans have been an issue for me, even when I was smaller. Y'all know I'm 50 and fabulous. I got this menopause body going on. So I know your pain. I know what it's like seeing the cute jeans, but we can't always get those jeans because they're not gonna fit us. And most importantly, all the jeans that I found that fit the best contain stretch. I need spandex. And you do too. That's the best fitting jeans for curvy girls, period. The best fitting jeans are from American Eagle. American Eagle has a curvy girl line. Now, I'm not getting paid for this. I am just putting you on out the kindness of my heart because I know how it is. I will link what I can in my LTK, so make sure you check the description box. This is actually an updated video because I did do a video a while back featuring curvy girl mom jeans. But now we in a new era, a new style. Most of these jeans, actually I think all of these jeans are wide leg jeans. These are baggy fit. That's what they're titled, baggy fit. But as you see, they're not baggy fit on me. These are not baggy fit jeans, but they fit good. And look, most importantly, there's no gapping in the back. Y'all see this? No gapping, because y'all know that's also one of our issues. When you have a bit more back here and you have a smaller waist, excuse me, although my waist is not just super small, it's smaller than what I have back here, so it will cause the gapping to happen in the back. These are a size 14 regular. And because they were baggy fit, that's why I got the 14. And I'm actually glad I did because they're not even baggy. But these are super cute. I don't know the name of them, but like I said, whatever I can find, I will have it linked in the description box. So make sure you check it. Next up are these curvy stovepipe jeans. I don't know exactly what that means, but that's what they are. As you can see, they have a little distress going on in the front. I love jeans that are cut up and have all the distress going on. I love them. These jeans, they're a 14 regular. Oh, let me tell you this. They have jeans for everyone. They have short, they have regular, and they have tall. I think it's long. It's tall or long, whatever it is, it's for my taller girls. They can accommodate all of us. They begin in sizes, I wanna say 00, all the way up to, I think it's plus size. I don't remember, but whatever it is, I'll put it right here on the screen. They accommodate all of us. That's my whole point. If you have not tried American Eagle jeans, you need to try them. These jeans are not as fitting to my waistline. They have just a little bit of gapping. I mean, it's probably like a ½ inch. So with a belt, it'll be totally fine. This is the back. They fit good, girl. I'm telling you, they are some good fitting jeans. And like I said, they have the curve line, the curve line. Now, I'm not talking about the regular ones. They have to be curvy, curvy. Oh, and another thing, Most of mine, I think all of them are high rise. I like the high rise jeans. If you're not a fan of high rise, you don't have to get high rise. I think they do have some mid rise, but I prefer high rise so that I can wear a crop top because you know, I'm a woman of a particular age. So all of my jeans that I got from American Eagle are high rise. Now these are actually baggy wide leg jeans. They feel and they fit like baggy wide leg jeans. They may not be extremely baggy, but they baggy enough for me. When I can do this, they're good. I love the wash on these. I love the distressed look. I love how wide leg they are. And look, these are sitting, no gapping. No gapping in the back. No gapping, honey. I love it. These jeans fit so good, y'all. These are 14 regular. All three that I've showed you thus far are 14 regular. Now, I'm not a tall girl, but they hit right where I need them to hit if I'm wearing them with sneakers, flats like what I have on now, or even if I wear them with a heel, they're still okay. I won't wear them with a super high heel so that they're not looking extremely short. Check it out. I found a pair of black distressed jeans. I'm not sure of the name of these because I've actually already worn them, and these are a 12 regular. Now they are a bit more, it's a bit tighter in the waist area, but it's not super uncomfortable. I would have preferred a 14, but they didn't have a 14 in this size. So I took a chance. I took a chance and I ordered the 12. It fits, but look, no gapping in the back. So that's a plus. But y'all, I love these. I've washed them and they still fit good. I know they all might look the same, but they're different. Here's another pair of American Eagle Curvy something. I don't know what style it is, but I will put it right here on the screen because I've already worn them and I've washed them and they still fit good. And these were also not available in a 14 regular, so I ordered a 12 regular. These are 12. The no gapping in the back. I'm telling you, you could thank me in the comments. Go ahead, thank me in the comments. If you've always had trouble finding jeans to fit your curvy body, I'm telling you to try them. I'm not getting paid for this. This is not even a sponsored video, but that's just how much I know that it bothered me a long time trying to fit into jeans that just could not fit my body. And once I found out about these, baby, the jeans, I don't have an issue with it. I still see jeans in other places that I wish I could fit, but if they don't have the stretch and they're not made for me, I just continue to buy the jeans that fit my body. And it just happened to be the American Eagle jeans. I mean, they have the perfect line for us curvy girls. We're done. We're done with American Eagle. These jeans right here come from Rainbow. These are their ultra 90s, I guess they're ultra 90s style, and they're by Almost Famous. And these are a size, what size are these? I think they're a 13. These are a 13. They have excellent stretch. This is the back. Y'all see this? No gapping. I love these jeans. I mean, the stretch factor, they fit so good. I was so impressed with these jeans when I got them from Rainbow. Y'all know you can't try on at Rainbow, so I had to buy them, bring them home and try them on, and honey, I fell in love. Now the only thing is, I mean, they're cute. I love them. I love the length of them. I love all that. But I'm going to cut these. I'm cutting them into some jorts. Yeah, that's what they call jean shorts now. And that's why I went ahead and I marked them right here with the safety pin, and I'm just gonna cut them. I have tried to find jorts in the store, just like with the jeans. I have been having a hard time. I cannot find any to fit this body. Most of them are 100% cotton. I need stretch, so I love these jeans. I love them as jeans, but since I have several new pairs of jeans, I think I could take one pair and cut them into some jorts. In order for me to get the ones that I want and to fit me, I have to make my own. They're jeans now for this haul, but when you see them again, if you follow me, they will be jorts. These are high waist jeans, but they're not as high waisted as the American Eagle jeans, but they're good. They're still good with a crop top. I love them. I like everything about them. I love the way they fit. So girl, once again, if you've made it to this point of the video, thank you for rocking with me today. Thank you for hanging out, and just thank you. I thank you. I thank you for your support. I thank you for it all. I need you to help me out though by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, leaving me a comment, telling a friend to tell a friend all about the Boutique Baddies YouTube channel, and just keeping me in the algorithm. We have to keep it going. And I thank you. I thank you for everything that you've done thus far. Because this is a video all about curvy girl jeans and the best jeans for a curvy girl, I need you to share the video with a curvy girl that you know. Be it your sister, your cousin, your niece, your auntie, baby, whomever. Share the video and then tell her to share the video. That's what, tell a friend to tell a friend. And I will catch you same place, same channel in the next video. Adios, girl.
That's that keep going. That's that never stop. Giddy up, giddy up.